Hey guys, so in this example I want to talk to you about how to make money from home and the kind of niches that can come from that overall topic. Now you can see here that the volume on that particular search term is 110,000 searches a month, and that's massive amounts of competition for you to get into this type of niche. But you can always think about this in different ways. You may want to create a channel around how to make money from home as a working mom, as a one-parent family, as a parent, whatever it may be. You need to think about, is there a way that I can kind of niche down a little bit and talk about a particular part of this overall topic? And there's lots and lots of channels as an example to this that I can show you. I just went through a couple of them here. I mean, my own channel is based on how to make money online. I kind of showed you some others just so I'm not showing you my own. And you can see here that Simon Gord's here. He has around about 2,000 views a day. He has about 24,000 subscribers. Overall, his channel's had 1.1 million views. He's had about 70,000 views in the last month, and he does lots and lots of different tutorials around things like YouTube, around things like Senditblue, which is an autoresponder. So a variety of things around this niche he'll do tutorials on. Now, the great thing about this, and it really fits the Simple Traffic Blueprint strategy, is that you don't have to be on camera to show people various things like how Senditblue, which is an autoresponder, works. All you need to do is share your screen and answer the user questions based on the keywords that you have in your video. It's very, very simple to do. Once you get into the swing of things and once you start producing those videos, you just go on to the next topic and make a video on that topic and then move on to the next. We call it rinse and repeat, but this is a great niche to be in because it allows you to do things off camera. Now, this is just one example of this. Again, I'll look at how he's monetizing these particular videos. So I just come on to the video as an example. Now you see that Simon's on screen for this one, but again, you don't have to be on screen for these at first. When he first started making videos, most of them were off screen. And I look at how he's actually monetizing this. He has an affiliate link here to Senditblue, which is the autoresponder, and he has various links to his social media. So in this particular video, he's got his affiliate links, and I'm sure if I let this run on, he's also using things like YouTube ads because of the amount of views he's had. If he's had 1.12 million views on his channel, he will be monetized, and he'll be able to use YouTube ads to get revenue for his channel as well. That's one example. Another example is this new Natural Vita tutorials. Again, lots and lots of different tutorials, 66,000 subscribers, all different topics around how to use Zoom, how to use Google Meet, how to create a logo in 5 minutes, and that alone had 2,000 views. How you make a simple thumbnail, 1,000 views. So these topics, people love these types of topics at the moment because a lot of people are working from home, and Zoom especially has got very, very popular. Even if you had a channel just dedicated to Zoom and how to use Zoom and all the different aspects of having different backgrounds, how to use the best type of audio on Zoom, how to set up Zoom, all different things like that, you could do really well just having a channel that's dedicated to Zoom. So let's just take a look at one of these. Google Meet tutorial, again another type of virtual meeting platform, and this channel's at 8.37 million views, 66,000 subscribers, as I said. And when I look down into their actual description, they've got various things like a website, they've got an Amazon shop here, they sell ebooks, they've got a Patreon link where you can go ahead and donate. So lots of ways that they're actually monetizing this channel. And I did think there was one going to come up. There's an advertisement here which is a YouTube ad, which is Google AdSense. So again, this is quite a broad niche. I've left some keywords beside this video so that you can use them to come into YouTube and do some research yourself and get a bit more of a feel for this niche. But on this particular one, I would definitely look for some smaller topics within that niche to concentrate your channel on, but make them broad enough so that you can expand over time and start including other type topics within that channel. So guys, I encourage you to go ahead and do that research and then start building your channel and uploading those videos so that you can start getting some really, really good content into YouTube, and you'll see some visitors very, very quickly.